Hey friends, if you wish to activate and use the PDF annotation tools in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. Or better said, I will make it a broader one, how to use the PDF tools. Now I'll show you magic. Click on File, select Save As, click on Browse, and then select a good location, and then search it as PDF and click on Save. Okay. Now make sure that it will open in Microsoft Edge and click on Always. Here's the PDF file and I am opening it on Microsoft Edge. Now, ideally, when I open any website on Microsoft Edge, you will notice that that website just opens with in the normal view. There are no tools on the top, but you will find all tools for this PDF file here. You can highlight anything, you can draw anything, you can use a rubber, you can create a text box, you can ask Copilot about questions, you can save or print it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.